Hello my friends, welcome to Choice Tech. In this video, I will show you how to add Python interpreter in Visual Studio Code. But before we begin, let me tell you what is a Python interpreter. A Python interpreter is simply the Python installation VS Code uses to run your code. Now, Visual Studio Code can have access to multiple Python versions and multiple virtual environments. That's why selecting the correct interpreter is essential. It tells VS Code exactly which Python environment your project should use. And that's what I am going to show you. Like I told you, a Python interpreter is simply the Python installation which VS Code uses to run your Python code. So in order to add Python interpreter in Visual Studio Code, Python must already be installed. But if you don't have it installed, do not worry because I'll show you how to do it. To install Python, all you have to do is come to the left side bar and click on this icon that says extensions. In the search bar, you need to type Python. Once you do that, you are going to see this extension from Microsoft. Click on it. If it is not already installed, then you are going to see an install button over here. Click on it to install this extension. For me, it is already installed. That's why I see an uninstall button over here. It will take around a minute to install. Once this extension is installed, it's going to give Visual Studio Code full Python support like code execution, IntelliSense, debugging, and interpreter selection. Once the installation is done, you are going to come back to your project folder. Here, let's create a test.py file in which we are going to write a simple print statement, and it's going to type hello from VS Code. Now, because you installed that Python extension, you are going to see a Python interpreter already added over here. You click on it and it's going to drop down a palette from the top search bar where you are going to see a list of interpreters. One other way to open this list of interpreters is to press Ctrl+Shift+P, which is going to open the command palette. And here type Python : select interpreter and then hit enter. By doing so, you are going to see all Python installations detected on your system. Now choose your global interpreter. I'm going to go ahead with Python 3.14.3. So let me select that. Now let's click on the run button. And there you go. The output is printed. That means VS Code is now using the global Python interpreter successfully. Now we are going to create and select the virtual environment interpreter. Selecting the virtual environment interpreter is important because that's where your project specific libraries are installed. Whenever you create a new project, you must create a separate virtual environment within that project, and over there you must install your project dependencies. Trust me, you will be able to manage your project better with a virtual environment. So let's create one. So let's open command palette again. Press Ctrl+Shift+P. This is going to open the command palette. Type here Python : create environment like this. It was already appearing, but I typed it for you. Press enter. Now it's going to ask you to choose between venv and conda. Click on venv. Now choose a Python version for your virtual environment. I am going to again go with Python 3.14.3. And there you go. It has started creating virtual environment. It's going to take a while, around a minute and a half. You can see a .venv folder has started appearing over here. And there you go. The virtual environment has been successfully created. This way, not only your virtual environment Python interpreter will be created, but it will automatically be selected for you. You can see that the virtual environment Python interpreter is already selected. If you click here, you can see it as well, along with the other Python interpreters. Now, let's change this code a bit. Rather than hello from VS Code, we are going to write hello from virtual environment. And let's run this file in terminal like this. And there you go. It says hello from virtual environment. Let me tell you, now VS Code is running this test.py file using the virtual environment that we just created. And that's how you add and manage Python interpreters in VS Code, both global Python and virtual environments. Once you understand interpreters, working with Python in VS Code becomes much easier. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you learned from this video. Do subscribe to my channel, Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.